And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Andrew Chung.
Welcome back, everyone. Hope you found a way to stay cool because it was hot outside. We tied the record high today in 4 cities: Harlingen, Brownsville, Weslaco, and McAllen. We may set some records again for some cities tomorrow, but over the next couple of days, even though it's going to be hot, we may taper off those high temperatures just a tad. Let's take a look at the maps. We did see lots of clouds this morning, and then mostly sunny skies return for this afternoon. Still hot out there right now with a temperature of 101 in McAllen, 101 in Edinburg, 97 in Raymondville and Harlingen. It is 94 in Brownsville and 92 in Port Isabel. Take a look at the winds right now. They're out of the southeast between 16 to 20 miles an hour. It'll stay breezy early on this evening. Then the winds start to come down, but still hot at 7 p.m. With a temperature of 93, we're back to 86 at 9 p.m. Mostly clear early on, then partly cloudy overnight. And we're down to 81 degrees at 11 o'clock this evening. Let's take a look at the tropics. It is all quiet in the Gulf of Mexico, the Atlantic Ocean, the Caribbean Sea, but in the eastern Pacific, we are watching this area of disturbed weather south of the coast of Mexico, which has a 90% chance of development over the next 5 days. At this point, the track would keep it offshore. We'll have to see if that stays the case over the next couple of days. Back home in Texas, look at this. We have one front draped over central Texas, and ahead of that front, some pretty nasty thunderstorms, severe thunderstorms for the Beaumont area of Texas coming from Lake Charles, Louisiana, and then some more severe thunderstorms in West Texas toward the Big Bend. Look at Albuquerque, New Mexico. A couple of severe thunderstorm warnings with the frontal boundary up to the northwest. A lot of nasty thunderstorms in New Mexico as well as El Paso, but none of that for us. It stays quiet here. We still have that big ridge of high pressure at the upper levels, keeping things very stable and quiet and hot. However, we expect this high, this upper level high, will start to center off to the north and west of the valley. That means we would not see the hottest temperatures. Yes, it's still going to be hot for the next 7 days, so please, of course, be careful and drink lots and lots of water. But we think that the high temperature is going to be more so in the upper 90s most places. We'll still see triple digits for places like McAllen in the upper valley, but watch as this high starts to center itself more so to the north and west of the valley later on this week. And then look at this, maybe a weakness in that ridge by next Saturday. In addition, we'll be watching this upper level trough of low pressure shown in the dotted yellow line, an upper level disturbance moving westward through the Gulf of Mexico. Now, that's going to stay far enough away from the valley, but there may be enough of a weakness in the atmosphere by next week and give us a slight chance for some showers. Again, the key word here is slight. We may have to raise those rain chances if things do warm. At that point, we're calling just for a slight chance of showers for next Saturday. On the water, we'll have winds out of the southeast to south at 5 to 15 knots. The bay waters are moderate chop. Your next tide is a low tide at 12:31 in the morning, and the seas are 2 to 4 feet. So for tonight, it is partly cloudy late, warm and humid with low temperatures in the mid-70s. Then for tomorrow, again, mostly sunny, hot and humid with a high temperature of 99 in Weslaco. We'll see upper 90s in Harlingen, mid to upper 80s for the coast, but triple digits for McAllen in the upper valley. Here's that 7-day forecast. Notice something different here. We put sunny and hot except for Saturday. Yes, it's still hot with partly cloudy skies, but in other words, maybe a stray shower possible Saturday. Again, the key word is slight at this point. High temperatures upper 90s this week. Triple digits out west. Morning lows will stay in the mid-70s. That's your First Warn 5 forecast. Now here's Ruben.